Exactly. Right, I've just got back from holiday. I am absolutely freezing because I've come from 29 degrees to at least 2. Let's have a look and see what's going on in the barn.
So here we are in the engine room with Joe, who's working on the 930 turbo, is that right?
That's correct. So obviously last week we cleaned the crank, we put the rods on, got that all assembled up. We had to modify the oil pump slightly because our Carrillo rods are slightly larger.
So they're clearance issues, yeah?
Clearance issues, yeah. So at the moment I'm just cutting out my O-rings for my through bolts, and then we're going to get the silicone on and get these two halves together, get it all torqued up. So it's gone from a 3.3 to a 3.4 now, so it's a little bit bigger.
A bit more power. So here we are with Nad, he's working on the red red
956.
Yeah.
What's going on?
It's been built, just in the clutch, putting the clutch back in. Gonna hopefully get it in the next hour or so. Get it back up in there and then hopefully running by the end of the day. And yeah. So James, oh my god, go away for a week and you didn't finish it.
Yeah, it's nearly there now, and it's all coming together. Pads got all the gauges and switches and whatnot in, and got one of the seats in, but
the other ones
we've still got a little bit of mechanical tweakery happening, so we've had to lift some of the carpet out again, which is a little bit frustrating. But
right. But that is really starting to pop now, isn't it? With the two-tone, with the the brown leather and the black, and the chrome actually around the dials and everything looks epic against that brown, doesn't it? It really does look good.
yeah, Brian thought I was having a moment of madness when I said I was going to wrap it in that leather, wrap the whole dash in that. But
well,
I think it's turned out
painted,
alright,
aren't they? They're not even covered.
Yeah,
so because there's another 356 on the ramp. Sam turns the camera ever so slightly, and that's got a red dash.
Yeah,
it's just
body
metal,
colour.
isn't it? Body colour, yeah. So, but yeah, that's really cool. We're about a week away from delivery, and it's looking stunning. I know we've got we have to have some measurements made for the gear knobs, because the gear knobs on the cars that we get the rib ones made don't have imperial threads on, obviously, because this is a 63 car.
it does actually.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, don't have metric threads, I'm saying, yeah, so this is an imperial thread, right?
Sorry, hang on a minute.
Which way around?
No, it is metric.
Oh, it is metric?
It is an M10.
Right.
Yeah, because I measured it
Alright, we're getting one made anyway, it's
it's
slightly different from the standard ones, isn't it? So yeah, so that should look good on there with, I think we ordered a black ebony one with silver rent, so that should look cool.
That would look cool.
Yeah. Great, alright, well the next time you see this on camera, it will be done.
Yeah, although Jamie's undoing all my hard work currently at the moment, so I'm going to have to do it all again.
So, called out, before I went away on holiday, this was all laid out on the floor. So cut to the pictures from earlier, but it was like an IKEA flat pack, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Like,
everything was everything in bits and pieces. Yeah.
all over the place, wasn't it? And like an IKEA flat pack, I could put it together, but it would fall apart.
Yeah.
Probably 2 weeks later, but this doesn't like to fall apart now.
You got the twist.
So talk us through how far you got and what's left.
Roof is on. Now I'm working to do the gaps and for the doors. Get all the measurements and make it straight.
An amazing progress.
Yeah, it's a bit of progress, but
It's like a car now, at least.
It looks like a car. It's slowly, something like we are getting there.
Yeah. So Gavin, 911S, and this came in for a respray, didn't it? So
yeah.
It's just come in. We're just going to finish off the final panels now and bolt it back together, and then into polishing, I guess.
And then, yeah, so that's the last of the paintwork's done on it. So now it's bolted together, and then, yeah, good flat polish. final touches, and then it can get sent to get built
The
back.
orange on this one again? It's gone from my head.
Signal orange.
Signal orange.
Yeah, really nice
Yeah.
colour.
So then down here, we've got another orange, right? So this is potentially going on the Golf blue card we did,
Yeah.
and that's Golf orange, I take
So
it.
that's the matching Golf orange to go with it. So
Yeah, lots of orange, lots of ring orange going on down here today. So, So 993 C2, and it's escalated, isn't it?
It definitely has, yeah. There was a couple of small touch-ups that needed doing on it, a couple of little sort of stone chips, little scratches here and there.
And then we pretty much look like we're doing the whole car now.
It's almost gone into a full respray, just purely because we keep having to blend into panels. So then where we've painted the wings,
Yeah.
the fresh paint against the bonnet, then we look different. So we'll put a blend into the bonnet, so then we're like, right, we blend into the doors. There were some chips in the rear arches, so we went to so this.
And now we're going to do the rear bumper as well, too.
We're going to puff in, yeah.
Yeah. So for people on looking at the video, things I've learned is two colours that painters don't like. One is red,
Silver,
and then silver's the other one. So what happens to red paint from a pigment perspective over to sunlight and stuff? Is it?
so they just tend to fade a little bit.
Yeah.
So like a fresh red against an old red, you can polish up to a degree, but it will never go back to the full vibrancy of the red that it originally was, just through sun bleaching.
Yeah.
Clear coats now have a much better UV protection to them than they did obviously back in the day.
So actually, by doing the respray, putting a higher quality clear coat on it from
It'll give it a lot
this
more
year,
protection for
yeah. So it should last a lot longer.
yeah, exactly that.
And then silver. What's the issues with silver?
Silver, it just depends how the
Flake in it.
metallics lay, really. Yeah, it just depends how they do it. Silver edge to edge, you're near enough impossible getting that to match. So that's why you always blend into the next panel.
Right.
A lot of metallic colours are like that, to be fair. Solid colours, you can get away with it a little bit more. But yeah, edge to edge is always just a little bit of a risk.
So obviously, new paint shop is now open. There's loads of things going on, which is amazing. But if you've got a silver or red car, you might have to stick together really nicely if you want to come back.
Bright.
Any other colours
yes.
are more than welcome. Well, that's it for another episode of A Day in the Life of Print. Hope you have a lovely Christmas, and don't forget to click like and subscribe.